Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Another day, another video. As you can see, ये भी एक vlog ही होने वाला है because यहाँ पे I don't know, बस vlog ही shoot कर रही हूँ मैं and you guys are liking it as well. So yeah, why not? So I just got up and आज हमने decide किया कि हम बहुत touristy जगह explore करने वाले हैं लेह में. And I'm going to show you जहाँ हम जा रहे हैं when we'll go there. But उससे पहले I decided to tell you guys something about Leh and if you are planning to travel here तो क्या क्या आप लोग कर सकते हो because I got a few DMs जिसमें लोग पूछ रहे थे कि मतलब what can we do, what type of clothes to bring, what to do. So in short I'll tell you everything. तो first of all if you are planning to travel here now then यहाँ पे दिन में गर्मी होती है then you can bring your summer wear. But शाम के टाइम पे there is it's windy and it's cold so you have to bring some jackets or coats along with it. तो summer dress लेके आओ मस्त एकदम, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत jacket and layering के लिए सामान लेके आना. The next thing is postpaid and prepaid जिसका मैंने I think दीदी के स्टोरी पे भी बहुत बोला था. तो yeah, if you're traveling here यहाँ पे नीचे के prepaid sims नहीं चलते हैं. So you have to bring postpaid sims or you have to buy a sim over here. Prepaid sim locally चलता है लेकिन नीचे से अगर आप लेके आओगे then it will not work. तो either you put your sim to postpaid and then come or you purchase a temporary sim over here and then use it. अभी तक मेरा और दीदी का सिम पोर्ट नहीं हो पाया है बिकॉज यहाँ पे लाके पोर्ट करवाओगे it takes 15 days. So that's a long time. तब तक you will be going back also अगर छुट्टी के लिए आ रहे हो. So just plan accordingly and अपना sim लेके आना postpaid करा के. So I'm going to go and quickly get ready now. Before I go, I think I'll have to wash my hair also today. So yeah, I don't have much time, but I'm going to quickly share with you guys what all I use for my hair care right now. Now, since I came to Leh, my skin and my hair acted bizarre because of the climate change. I got acne, I got hair fall issues. I never had hair fall issues, but after coming here, I did have a lot of hair fall issues. And therefore, I decided to try out the Red Onion hair care range from Lotus Botanicals. Now, this range has it all. But before that, I'm going to tell you guys why Red Onion is beneficial for your hair. Now we all know that red onion is really great for your hair because it acts as a natural conditioner. It nourishes your hair and also it helps with hair fall, which was perfect for me. So therefore I decided to try out this range. Now this range has it all. It contains of hair oil, it has a shampoo, it has a conditioner, and it also has a hair mask. So it is like a perfect at-home spa treatment for you guys. So I'm going to try it out and review it on Instagram as well. Yeah. And yeah, let's see how it turns out to be. For now, I'm pretty excited to try it.
Also, all the products from this range have no preservatives, no toxic chemicals, and are certified safe cosmetics. They are silicone-free, mineral oil-free, and synthetic color-free.
Yo, so I'm ready again, and let me show you guys what I'm wearing today as well. So this is what I'm wearing today. This is not a dress. This is actually a crop top from tube top from H&M, and this one is from Urbanic, and this is from Shein, and these are from let me check. These are from John Jacobs, yeah. And boots from H&M again. Abhi I'm choosing fashion over comfort because I'm wearing heels, but let's see. I think I can manage it. Let's go. So full protection के साथ I'm wearing goggles, bucket hat, and carry your own water bottle. And चलिए. So we finally reached our destination, and it is Stoke Palace. I'm pretty stoked to go here. Let's go. I love this area. दी तुम्हें तो बिल्कुल प्यार हो गया होगा इतने सारे प्लांट्स. Yes. There's a cafeteria right over here. So this is the Stoke Palace, and इसके ऊपर is the museum where I'm not allowed to shoot. And as you can see, these are the private rooms that you can hire and stay here. Look at that, oh my god, it's the head of an Himalayan ibex. So
this is pretty much Stoke Palace, and it also has a museum जहाँ पे photography is not allowed. So unfortunately I couldn't record it, but it had really amazing things to showcase. I mean, there was a piece of clothing which was 300 years old. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Now we are going to go outside, and I'm going to show you a little more things about it, and then we are going to go outside and have a lunch. So there's this cute cafe where we are sitting, which is just outside the palace. And now Sonakshi Joshi is going to decide what I'm going to eat. Let's see how well she knows me. Go.
I'm also shooting you, you're also shooting me.
Go. Order for me. Order for me also. Anything you like.
I think you'll have cold coffee with ice cream, and I'll have some fresh lime soda.
You really think that I'll have cold coffee?
Chocolate shake you will not have. Oreo shake you don't like. Tonic water with lime. तुमने कभी सुना ही नहीं होगा.
So overall, I'm going to say that okay, if you visit it once, it's okay. It's a very small palace, and it has a little bit of museum in the corner. It's not huge. If you have been to Mysore Palace or Bangalore Palace, you will not like this place. But yeah, it's a very cute little place, and you can also stay here, but the price is 30,000 per night.
Yeah.
So I mean, if you're extremely rich, sure, you're welcome here. But for us, this is it. We're going to have a lunch and go back. So whenever you think about Leh Ladakh, the first thing that comes to your mind are the different multicolor flags that are here. And I was also wondering कि flags का क्या मतलब है. So today I came across one such, as you can see, huge flag जिसमें अलग-अलग colors हैं. Even on the top of the palace they have the same thing. So these color actually symbolizes the elements of earth, different elements. So the elements being air, water, fire, earth and sky. So the colors are aligned according to the elements, and it is to bring good luck to the people. So you can see many houses also have these colors, and these flags are known as the prayer flags, and you can find it almost anywhere in Leh. Ghar pe logo ke, palaces pe, markets mein, you can find it anywhere, and this is to bring good luck to people. So we have our food over here, and please guess the price of the club sandwich. Please, I beg you. Sonakshi, क्या प्राइस था क्लब सैंडविच का?
Club sandwich I think 240 का था. Just bread, just basic सब्जियाँ यार, मतलब.
तुम तो रो दी थी आते ही. ये क्या हो गया? ये तो 50 रुपए में बना देती. 50 भी नहीं लगते.
It is not about money also, मतलब. It's not about 250 are there. 250 में at least just white bread and 3-4 सब्जियाँ यार. It's just bloody expensive.
थोड़ा तेज बोल दो, आवाज़ नहीं आएगी मेरे ब्लॉग में.
People are listening. सामने बोल दूँगी कितना महंगा दे रहे हो.
Sometimes I feel कि my one true love is food and eating. पहले से हमने घूम लिया 5 मिनट में, ठीक है. म्यूजियम में यूँ चल के 5 मिनट में नीचे आए. सबसे पहले आए, खाया, बैठे हुए ये भी, अभी 2 चीज़ें और ऑर्डर कर दी. My one true love is eating. ये ट्रैवल व्लॉग नहीं बना सकती मैं. मेरे व्लॉग्स इज गोइंग टू बी मी, माई सेल्फ एंड आई
And food
and subscribe. So guys, that's it for Stoke Palace. We had a good time all together, and it's a very small cozy सा palace जहाँ पे आप जा सकते हैं, and you can also stay here, as you know, and सामने you can eat somewhere, so it's pretty good and decent experience. एक बार you can definitely come here. So let me show you the tallest statue of Mahatma Buddha over here in Leh. As you can see there, so just zoom it, cameraman. So that's the tallest. हमारा प्लान था एक्चुअली वहाँ जाने का, बट पैदल चलने के लिए it's half an hour दूर, and that to चढ़ाई पे. So we decided that we are not going to go there क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है. We are still waiting for Gigi to come and pick us up. तब तक nothing we can do. So while we are waiting, let me tell you the best thing about this place was कि यहाँ पे भीड़ नहीं है बिल्कुल भी. जितनी भीड़ आपको ले मार्केट में मिलेगी उतना यहाँ पे नहीं मिलेगी because it is at least 16 kilometers away from Leh main city. So we are done for the day and we are going back home now. कल हमें जाना है Alchi, so I'm going to vlog that as well. बाकी वहाँ पे हमारा जो भी खाने पीने का होगा that is going to be vlogged by Sonakshi Joshi Bhatt. So stay tuned to our channels and yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's day 2 and we are going to Alchi village today. Now Alchi is 60 kilometers away from Leh and it has a very famous Alchi kitchen where we are going to have lunch. तो lunch करने हम 60 kilometers दूर जा रहे हैं. In short, let's go. जिन लोगों को लगता था हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी बंजर है, देख लो. This is the University of Ladakh. कुछ नहीं है आसपास.
We're finally at Alchi Kitchen and this is a famous eating joint in Alchi. It is 60 kilometers from Leh. Let me show you the view. We are sitting outside. You can choose to sit outside as well as inside. Let me show you the view.
So this is the view. Now who won't love to eat here? There's a small temple right over here.
Hi Madhulika.
Hi.
कितना और खाना चाहती हैं आप?
थोड़ा सा और.
आप क्या अभी क्या खाने वाली हो?
अभी हम कुछ स्वीट डिश खाने वाले हैं जिसका मुझे नाम नहीं पता.
So this is my favorite out of everything that we ate.
Ting 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 ting. Hey guys, so we're done. We're going back to Leh now and जितना भी खाने पीने का हम लोगों ने किया है वो मैंने शूट नहीं किया है. That's another vlog that my sister has made. So you can definitely check that out on her channel. I'll link her channel in my description box. So go ahead and check it out. And yeah, we're going back now. So somebody commented on my video कि please include more of Cooper in your vlogs. But Cooper मेरे साथ कभी नहीं बैठता है. Cooper कभी भी पीछे वाली सीट पे नहीं बैठता. He's always sitting in front with his parents. Let me show you. ये देखिए, बीच में बैठेगा या फिर दीदी की गोद में बैठेगा, बट पीछे कभी नहीं बैठेगा. भले ही पीछे पूरी सीट खाली हो, he'll never sit with me. See?
Hey guys, so we just came back. I just removed my makeup and changed. बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए, बहुत ज़्यादा खा लिया था आज, but overall बहुत मज़ा आया. And before going, I just wanted to tell you guys again about this range. I used it yesterday. मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था अपने vlog में ही. And first impression अगर देखा जाए तो it left my hair really smooth and nice. अभी मैंने comb नहीं किया आने के बाद, but still बहुत ज़्यादा soft लग रहे हैं मेरे hair and I'm really liking the texture that it has left. And another thing that I really like about it is कि it doesn't have that peculiar oniony smell. मैंने और brands use किए हैं and they have that बहुत ही, you know, it leaves on your head, it leaves that smell on your hair and it doesn't smell good after that. So but iska smell is really nice. I really liked it. I have used the shampoo and I have used the conditioner till now and both of them I really like it. I have still to use the oil and mask, but I'm going to review it super soon on Instagram, so stay tuned over there. And yeah, if you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon. See you next time.